How to fix your Honor 90 or 90 Lite if the camera is not focusing. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold the power button, and then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone and then it will help you to fix the camera not focusing issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Now here again tap on this apps option and then scroll down and tap on camera. Now go to the storage of camera app and then clear the camera app cache memory. So to clear the cache memory, tap on clear cache and cache memory will be cleared, and after clearing this cache memory, the focusing issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is reset camera settings. So for that, open camera app. Now in camera app, click on this settings icon on the top right corner and then scroll down to the end and tap on restore defaults. Now from this pop-up, tap on OK to confirm, and then the focusing issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the camera not focusing issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.